Hi everyone and welcome to Reveal. In this video, I will present to you what reports you can find in the segment section and what they mean. Another essential report you will get in Reveal is the revenue versus margin by customer type 1. It's not a secret anymore that this graph will prove that repeat customers are the gold mine for your business. This report shows you the balance between new customers and repeat customers in terms of revenue, margin, and volume of customers. Generally, this reflects the health of your business. If you have a lot of new customers that bring little money and margin, and very few repeat customers that bring more money and margin, that means your business is not sustainable and you need to increase the number of repeat customers. The Revenue versus Margin by Rfm Group report tells you which groups bring the greatest value in terms of revenue and margin, or the lowest. This helps you to identify the groups of customers that are sustaining your business or groups of customers that you need to nurture more. When you start running the Net Promoter Score survey, you will send it to all of your future clients or the relevant current clients. Every respondent belongs to a certain Rfm group, so the role of Reveal is to filter the answers according to the corresponding group. The Net Promoter Score per Rfm group report will help you detect if there are common issues on a certain Rfm group, or which group is prone to recommend you to a friend, or for which you can create a reward program. You are able to see also how the Net Promoter Score fluctuated over time for each Rfm group. I will start first with the Rfm Segmentation Report. As you probably know, Reveal's main superpower consists in splitting customers into Rfm groups, taking into consideration the recency, frequency, and monetary value of their purchases. This way, you can see the customer distribution for each one and how much revenue and margin they can bring to you. You can edit the Rfm segmentation scoring on the setup page, adjusting it according to your business model. Order count by Rfm group. This report will tell you how many orders have been completed by customers belonging to each customer group. This way, you can see which of the groups make the most orders and which make the least orders. Again, you will be able to see this information in absolute values or how it fluctuated over time according to your timeline selection. Customer account by Rfm group. This graph shows you the number of customers assigned to each of your Rfm groups. This information can help you get a better idea of your customer distribution by Rfm group and what are the issues and opportunities with each one. You can also check the timeline to get an idea about the fluctuation in time for each of them. Revenue by Rfm group. This graph will show you the revenue generated by each of your Rfm groups. This can be also visualized in two ways, in absolute values and in a timeline. Margin by Rfm group. Once you've introduced your margin in the onboarding process, Reveal will be able to detect the margin per each Rfm group. This information can be also visualized in two ways.